What's up, guys? Getting a big today we are going to do a challenge, and the challenge will be shotguns only. Now, I'm just going to do it in a reload because good practice. So, yeah. Please don't click off the video. Please subscribe and stuff. Do all the things. You know what to do, right? So, yeah, let's get into the video. Everybody, we are in shotguns only. Oh, don't say it's the serves. Let's go to. Let's get some shotguns. Surf is kind of fun, but then you don't get to go anywhere you want to. Nope. Where the flip did she come from? Guess I didn't see it, but like, I don't even know where she came from. Please be a chest here. She's shooting at me. Shotgun. Nope. Until I get a shotgun. Until I get a shotgun, I can use this. Nothing. Oh, this shotgun. Alright. Good shotgun. No, that's not what I want. No shotgun in there. Should say that's pretty. They don't say this. Better than this. And now I don't have anything to use. Darn it. Well, we lost that challenge. I hope y'all liked the video, and please subscribe. I know I'm really bad, but I'm going to try to get better. See y'all later. Peace.